Hi guys, I'm just here to let you know how to fix the wheel of the Magic remote control for LG. So first we have to take off the batteries. The tools you need, just anything just to open that remote control. So you're trying from the bottom. All the way up, and then it's open. So the wheel just here, that's a broken one. So all you have to do is just pull that piece which is here. It was stuck in there, just pull it out, which is there. Small one there. It's similar to the Allen keys shape. So you bring the smallest size of the Allen keys and just push it through all the way to here. So you need the right amount of, and then just put it in there, and here you go. You work as new.